Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a precision screwdriver set, a multimeter, isopropyl alcohol, a soft brush, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will ensure you can work safely and effectively on the MS-15G1 board. Start by disconnecting the power supply and removing the board from its housing. Carefully unscrew the screws using your precision screwdriver, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. It's essential to note the different sizes of screws, as they may vary in length. Organizing them can save you time during reassembly. Once the board is free, inspect it for any visible damage. Look for burnt components or broken traces. If you find any, take a moment to document these issues, as they will guide your repair process. Next, we'll clean the board. Dampen your soft brush with isopropyl alcohol and gently scrub the surface to remove any dust or debris. This step is crucial, as a clean board allows for better visibility of any underlying issues. Remember, a clean workspace is a safe workspace. Now let's move on to testing the components. Using your multimeter, check the continuity of the traces and the functionality of the components. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify issues you might miss. If you discover faulty components, it's time to replace them. Carefully desolder the damaged parts using a soldering iron. Ensure you have a steady hand, as precision is key here. Once removed, place the new components in their respective spots and solder them in place. Make sure to check the polarity of components like capacitors and diodes to avoid further damage. After replacing the components, it's time to reassemble the board. Before doing so, double-check your work. Ensure all connections are secure and that there are no leftover screws or parts. If you're feeling uncertain, remember, we provide a quote before repair so you can make informed decisions without any pressure. Once you're satisfied with the repairs, carefully place the board back into its housing. Reattach the screws, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. Finally, reconnect the power supply and test the board. Monitor its performance closely to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. This service is designed to provide convenience and peace of mind during your repair process. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.